Okay, another example involving order of operations is this one right here. 6 divided by 3, note the parentheses, plus 2 squared minus 3. Now, of course, if I look to the gems, I know that this, G, stands for any grouping symbols. So I'm going to look for grouping symbols, which I see right away in 6 divided by 3. So the first step in this problem is to solve for 6 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2, because 2 times 3 equals 6. So I use inverse operations to help me check my work. And then I would just copy down the rest of the problem. Don't solve for anything else, just copy it down so that we can keep track of the steps as we're going. It's a good habit to get into. The next thing I look for, of course, I don't have any more grouping symbols. The E in GEMS stands for exponents. So now I'm going to look for any exponents, and I see one right here in the middle. So I'm going to solve for 2 squared. And 2 squared is the same as 2 times 2, so I'm going to go ahead and write 4. And then I'm just going to copy down the rest of the problem. Now I have multiplication and division, but I don't have any multiplication and division in my problem, so I skip on to the next step. The next step I see here is the S, which is the step that stands for subtraction or addition. If I look to my problem, I see both subtraction and addition. You have to follow the order like you're reading a problem from left to right, and you do the one that happens first. So if I'm reading from left to right, I see that 2 plus 4 is first. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. And then I'm going to copy down the rest of the problem. Now I can handle my subtraction problem. My subtraction is now 6 minus 3, and that is 3. So I circle the answer.